Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your maximum in Jujutsu Infinite. First, let's understand what a maximum technique is. These are powerful extensions to your innate abilities, significantly boosting your combat potential. To unlock one, you'll need a maximum scroll. You can get this scroll by completing the main storyline, defeating Ju at level 360, or by finding rare chest drops, which have about a 0.1% chance. Before you can unleash your maximum, there are a few key requirements. Your character must be at level 420, and your chosen innate technique's mastery tree needs to be fully unlocked. Once those conditions are met, you'll need 3 black flash tokens to activate your maximum. To get these, build your focus bar by dealing damage, then perform a black flash by right-clicking at the right moment. Using your maximum strategically can turn the tide of any battle. For instance, Jacob's ladder can deal tens of thousands of damage by hitting multiple grouped enemies simultaneously. 6 Eyes empowers your base moves, letting you combine Chanted Lapse Blue and Reversal Red for a powerful hollow purple nuke, dealing around 4,700 damage. High-End Awakening provides a 25% focus increase and reduced cooldowns, enabling the world-cutting slash. To truly master your maximum, consistent practice is essential. Focus on reliably landing black flashes to quickly accumulate your 3 tokens. Experiment with your specific maximum technique to discover its optimal combos and timing. For example, some maximums excel in player versus environment scenarios by hitting many targets, while others offer powerful buffs for player versus player combat. Understanding these nuances will make you unstoppable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.